I don't know about you, but between the 17 horses, husband, dingo, 90-something weekly students, and everything that comes with making a farm run, I don't have time during the week to prep, so I do it all on Sunday. We just did a Costco haul, and I did my Brussels and cauliflower and bell peppers and onions and potatoes and chicken. So not only that, I'm gonna make up a stir fry and portion it out into lunches, but this is the best way to make one mess on one day and then kind of sail through the week until we start again. And I hope that helps you guys.
You helping?
Ow.